Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses here in the Tampa area to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I've found that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they can do themselves to positively impact their business has resulted in those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I'm very good at my digital marketing and I can help your business grow, just shoot me a message back and we can schedule a more in-depth meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So, let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that'll set your company above your competition. So, I went to your website here that I found from your Facebook. And the first thing I want to talk about is going to be content. So I took your website URL and I ran it in a tool that I use called SEO Quake, as you can see, RBI Outdoor Living LLC.com. And we can see here that you have about 341 words on your homepage. Now, Google has actually said that to be optimized within their platform and their algorithms, that you want to have at least 1,500 words on that homepage. That's kind of like their minimum standard that they want to see as far as content. So what I did is I looked at some of your competition, and I just found one of your competitors. They do the patios and the pergolas. I know you have a wider array, so I just picked one area of what you do, and I found this lifestyle remodeling. So I went ahead and I ran them in SEO Quake as well. As you can see, they're lifestyleremodeling.com, and they have 2,600 words on their homepage. So right there, that's one thing that you could do to just increase your SEO on site and to build up your website, and that's going to be just to add more content. The second thing I want to talk about is keywords. So it kind of goes hand in hand with that content. So as we can see here on your page, the content keywords that you have are outdoor, living, LLC, RBI, work, and some of those just aren't the best target words. So the way keywords work is Google, when you type something in, their algorithms scrub all their websites and they try to find the keywords so that they can match the people using their website and their search engine to find websites that they are looking for. So for instance, I looked up patios and pergola installer, and they've got patio. This is your competition now. Their keywords they have patio 39 times, sunrooms 21 times, remodeling 37 times, lifestyle remodeling, that's their name, but patio enclosures, patio covers, some of the same things that you want to be found for. So the reason this is important is because the more content you have, the more keywords you have. And the more keywords you have, the higher you'll be pulled up on Google's for those keywords. Now the third thing I want to talk about is the most important, and that's going to be backlinks. So I ran your competitor to see what some of your top competition has, and a tool called Ahrefs. And as we can see here, they have a pretty strong DR of 31, and that's really driven from their backlink profile. They have over 4,500 backlinks. So what backlinks are is there other websites pointing to that website. So in Google's eyes, it's pretty much just like a popularity contest. It's the other websites vouching for that website and saying this is a good website. Google, this carries the most weight in Google. They view this as the most important thing. And as you can see, this website is driving in over 3,000 clicks a month. So the organic traffic, just from being ranked at the top of Google, is driving in 3,000 clicks. So you can see just how important it is to get that website ranked up. Now, in closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content and how you want to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords, and it kind of goes hand in hand with the quantity of the content, that you want to have quality. You want to have what people are looking for and that you want to be found for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed backlinks and how having backlinks is going to be paramount for you to rank up in Google and the amount of clicks that you could potentially have. At 3,000. Just imagine what you could do if you had 3,000 people visiting your site every month. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can easily make it to the first page of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, like I said earlier, you can take this information and start doing it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route, you want to save yourself the time, and you want to see what other strategies I have up my sleeve, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.